guys. Okay, today I am making manicotti with meatballs. And so you already know how I make my sauce. Just if you haven't seen my earlier video, take a look. It's there and it's basically the same thing. The manicotti, I am making a ricotta with spinach in it. And then I'm also going to make some with just meat in it. That's because of the kids, so I like to stuff the shells with the meat, and then the other one will be stuffed with the ricotta. So we're getting there. The sauce is almost ready. I've got the spinach ready. I'm going to chop it up finely, put it in the ricotta, and then I'm going to start stuffing. So stick around and you'll see what's going on. Alright, ciao for now. Bye. Okay, just a quick thing. This is the shell, right? So we're going to put it into boil. Hopefully they won't break. And then we can stuff them with everything, alright? Okay. Ciao for now. Bye. Okay, so I thought I'd show you quickly how I do my ricotta, okay? So, and I'm sorry, Canadian people. It's not ricotta. It's ricotta. Okay, so mix it up. I put one beaten egg. Okay, I'm not going to add any salt to this because I don't want salt, okay? Because, yeah, I'm going to put some pepper, just a bit. What I do like to do in the ricotta is put some sugar just to sweeten it up a bit because it can be a bit bitter, right? So 2 squirts of this thing here is 1 teaspoon, so that should be good enough. We'll give it a taste before we do everything, right? So that's that. Then I'm also going to put in some nutmeg. If it comes out, it should come out. 1, 2, okay, that didn't come out, so we're going to just put it in my hand, just a bit, right, just for seasoning. That's that. Mix it up. Oh. I do it with a fork, right? So we're going to do that. Now we're going to get the chopped up spinach, which I did, just in a ball right now, but we're going to put it in. We're going to mix it all up. Okay? Mix it up good. Mix it up good. Then we got to get the breadcrumbs. I forgot to have them here. You should always have your ingredients with you. I know. I never do. But hang on. I'll be right back. 2 seconds. Alright. Breadcrumbs I got. And they say to use seasoned. But I'm not going to use a seasoned one. And you just want a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay? Mix it up. Again. Alright? Then I got some mozzarella cheese. Grated. Put it in. Put her in. There we go. Come on. I actually have extra mozzarella cheese I'm going to put on after, just like on the top. Just to, yeah. Hang on a second. Excuse me. Ooh. Parmesan cheese. Put it in. I'm just using about 1/2 cup for this one. Okay? We love mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese. We love it all, right? Then you're going to mix it all in with the ricotta. Okay, that's no good, Mimi. That's when the dogs become handy. Okay. Anyways, I probably should have used a bigger bowl, but I wanted to combine it all really well. So I'm going to go and combine that. Then I'll show you the finishing touches after, okay? I'll be right back. So, ciao for now. Bye. Okay, quickly. Here it is. Nice and thick. But we're also going to add some of the sauce that I cooked to it. Okay, just a bit of sauce. And just put it in. I had to let the sauce cool down. That's why I did that. So I'm going to mix it all together one more time. And it's going to be more creamy now. More creamy and more flavor. I'm telling you, this is going to be delicious. Can you tell I like my own cooking? And I tried the meatballs. They're delicious. They really are. They're so moist and yummy. I'll show you them in a second with the sauce. I have to wait till the meat sauce cools down before I can fill the manicotti because or my fingers are gonna burn. I remember doing it last time and that's what happened, so I'm gonna do it right this time. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now I'm gonna try it. Got everything in it. Uh-oh, why am I blowing it? No, this isn't hot. It's just natural, right? You blow? No, you don't need to blow. Mmm, yummy. Oh my god. Actually, and you know what? It's gonna be even better. Is that because it's gonna go in the oven after for a few minutes with sauce on top, some cheese on top. The cheese and the ricotta, it's gonna melt on the inside, right? So when you actually cut into it and bite into it, yeah, can't wait. Okay, guys, I'm gonna quickly show you. So I'm just gonna do this quickly. I know. Me and my videos, they're all over the place, but that's who I am. That's who I am. Here, check it out. Check out all the manicottis I got. Look. Woo! Oh, wrong way. Woo! 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 And then I'm gonna show you my meatballs. Meatballs. Where is it? You see my meatballs? Come on, guys. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh, I'm telling you. And it really, you know what? This dish actually, it's time consuming. Right? It's time consuming because now I gotta stuff everything. And that's where the time's gonna take. So I'm gonna take a break, get back to cooking because this is for dinner. And I have some hungry children. Ah! So ciao for now. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, so here I got the strainer so that I can, because I need as much hamburger meat as I can get so I can stuff all my shells, right? So what I'm doing is I'm draining the sauce into the bottom bowl. And so I'm just mixing the meat. And I mean, it's okay if it's not completely drained, but I need it as drained as I can get it. So this is what I've been doing in the meantime, getting this ready. And yeah, okay, bye. Okay, so I'm just going to show you one pan. I'm actually using 3 pans tonight. But what you have to do is you just have to layer the bottom of the pan with sauce, okay? So, because you're going to put the manicotti in the pan, and you just have to have a layer of it at the bottom. Because, yeah, you don't want it to stick to the bottom, right? It's going to go in the oven at 350 for about half an hour. 45 minutes until it's pretty much tender, okay? So let me do that. And then I'm going to take you over to see how I stuff the shells. We're almost done there. We're getting there. It's taking a long time though, but that's okay. It's okay. It's because this is the way some of the processes go, right? So over here, I can help you. You want to help me? This is on my blog, right? So. Okay, good. All right, let's do this. Clarissa, do you want to get another little tea? Where did she go? She left. She left. Okay, so here's the shell. Huh? Let's do the one with the ricotta first. You get the ricotta. Try to use a small spoon because you don't want to break the shell in the process, right? So get a small spoon and start filling it. Da, 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 da. I should have enough here. So just gotta fill it, fill it, fill it. And that's it. And everybody's talking in the background when I'm doing my video, but that's okay, I guess. We have all the kids. And it's a crazy, oh my gosh, it's a crazy weekend. Okay, how did I do? You could probably fit a bit more. But I've got like 22 shells I gotta fill. Why? Because the kids are gonna love this. And so there's one. Okay? Is the inside full? Maybe not. So what do? You push it in a bit more. You just gotta push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. But remember, again, you don't want to break the shell, right? So that's it. All right. Woo. Okay, that side done. One more little scoop. And voila! Yes. Mission accomplished. All right, guys. I'm going to go get this done and yeah, I'll show you how I do the meat one too. Okay, ciao for now. Bye. And now we're going to do one with meat. So, again, grab the shell. Get your meat. Again, I do the meat because of the kids. Some like ricotta, some don't. So at least they'll be able to have something for dinner. And I'm just hoping I have enough sauce for after. But you know what? It's always a first time for everything kind of thing. Woo! In, shove it in. See how it's coming out that side? So that's when you know when to stop, okay? Maybe there's an easier way of doing this. I don't know. But this is the way I do it. I could Google it. Google has so many ways of doing things now. But this is it. See? Done? Done. This is going to be so filling too. It is. You don't need anything else with it. Normally I like to make a salad and some garlic bread or something. But whew, tonight, just going to be this. All right. Ciao for now. Bye. Okay guys, so here's how it looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sprinkle some little bit of sauce on it lightly. I'm not going to put a lot because there's already a lot of, like, especially the meat ones already have a lot of sauce on the inside. So I'm just going to show you an example of one of what I'm going to do. That's actually a spinach one with the ricotta, and then these are all meat. But then I have, this pan is all ricotta, and then this pan is all meat. So once I have this, I'm going to sprinkle some parmesan cheese, just a bit for flavor, whatever, right? And some mozzarella cheese, just a little bit, kind of like a lasagna, huh? And like I said, if you put too much sauce, I think it's not going to turn out as, it's going to be too saucy. You want to be able to taste everything too. So that's it. And now it's going to go in the oven. It's going to go in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes, but we'll see how it goes. I'm going to cover it now with the tin foil, and away it goes. All right? Thanks for watching. Ciao for now. Bye. Okay guys, so this is the ricotta, some meatballs, and the meat one. Yum yum. Okay, I'm gonna give it a quick taste and then I gotta go and eat. Alright, so I probably look tired because this was not an easy dish to make. So, not that it wasn't easy, it's just time consuming, right? So, I'm gonna try the ricotta.
The taste certainly proved it was.
Hey? Yeah, okay.
It's really good.
Okay. The ricotta one is delicious. Here's the meat one. I know it's awful. I eat so much food. It's gonna catch up to me one day. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. You may think I'm over exaggerating, but I really love it. And if the kids love it, and mom loves it, and the hubby loves it, then we're all good. And I love it, then we're all good, right? Meatball. Alright. Again, thanks for watching Creative Cooking with Sandra. Manicotti, whatever. I can't even pronounce it right, but I think you know what I'm talking about. delicious. All right, ciao for now. Bye. Whoops. Oops, I was corrected. Manicotti. See, I don't say it right. I told you. I'm one of a kind. I don't care. I'm always untangling my mind. Ooh, and I'm a poet and didn't know it. Okay, sorry guys. It's manicotti. Manicotti. Whew, it's easier saying cannelloni. I can remember cannelloni, manicotti, whatever. But anyways, whatever. It's delicious. You knew what I meant. Ciao for now. Bye.